Dead right there. Yeah. Look at him. He's moving around. Yeah.
There's the feeder. You know, a little bit of blood here. Right there. And here, turn the light off. There's a luminot. Why is the video so weird? There he is. Nice big borehole. Alright guys, so we've been watching this pig for about 4 or 5 days now. Been coming around 9 o'clock-ish, 9:30. Yesterday he showed up at 7:48, so he got in the stand early, and he came out like 8:45, somewhere in there. I don't know if y'all could hear it in the video, but there's a pig, and I don't know what was happening over there. Sounded like he was getting attacked, but I don't know. This guy came in and we smoked him. Pretty sure it was a heart shot, a little quartering away, but nice pig. So I'm shooting the Muzzy Trocar, the hybrids. Obviously it broke my arrow, so I have to dig it out of them, but that pig probably ran 75 yards maybe and piled up. Pretty good sized hog, so pretty good shot. But I appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.